let's start with this. What Dr. Besigye's wife, Bagungu, is saying about his health.
He makes some slow progress. He's making slow progress, but he's still very weak. He's still unable to walk. He's still unable to talk. You see him trying, but you see his voice not coming. He was unable to hold a pen. His hand shakes. His hands shake. Now he can hold a cup, but he has to use a straw to feed because he can't hold it for long. He can't hold his hand up for a long time. That's how he is. So he is recovering, but he's not in a good state. He needs to be free to be cared for by his family 24/7. In fact, yes, this place where they put him, they have allowed us, a family member, to be there at night and another one to be there during the day. So his sisters are taking turns. I go there during the day. I find there one sister, and another sister comes at night and sleeps there right next to him. So he's not able to manage on his own, but they will not give him bail to be with his family.
Still injustice, but away from that, political figure and minister Norbert has captured public attention with a dual display of philosophical introspection and political solidarity, utilizing his platform to share deep reflections on faith while offering robust backing to newly appointed public servants. In a reflective message commemorating the solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Mao invited citizens to meditate on the virtue of humility. Drawing a vivid analogy, he described true humility as a clean glass pane in a window. The glass simply lets through the bright light. It doesn't keep a single ray for itself. Eventually, the glass becomes invisible even when it is there. Mao wrote before issuing a passionate call to action: let's clean our windows. Encouraging leaders and citizens alike to abandon ego, Mao highlighted the example of Mother Mary, noting how she directed all praise toward the divine by declaring that the Almighty had done great things for her. He urged the public to emulate this selflessness when achieving milestones rather than claiming for personal acclaim. Transitioning seamlessly from spiritual philosophy to statecraft, Mao also extended warm political felicitation to Dr. Aringa Deo Rugendo following his high-profile appointment as Principal Press Secretary to the Speaker of Parliament. Displaying his trademark wit and spirit of mentorship, Mao dismissed the notion of a transitional learning curve for the seasoned academic and media leader. Congratulations, HDR, you don't need any internship as you embark on this assignment, Mao posted, before reassuring new press secretary of a steadfast protection within the political arena. He added with characteristic flair, OMA one-man